Hey, I'm Arya. I'm super excited to talk about something I've been working on for a while. I call it Blendergpt, and it's essentially a website that lets you convert text prompts into fully textured 3D assets that you can then import directly into Blender or download the source files. Now I've got local version running, and I've also got a copy of Blender that's set up with a simple scene. And I'm going to show you a demo of how it works. So you can start with text prompts. For example, a PlayStation controller. And it's going to take a second and submit that job over to the backend, where it processes that and then converts that into a 3D asset. So it usually takes about 15 to 20 seconds per generation. So it's still super fast, and it allows for extremely rapid iteration on your 3D scenes. Now it's already processing, and it should be done in 5 to 10 seconds. And just give it a bit. Okay, it's done. And that's what it looks like. I can hit Command B and it imports that directly into my Blender scene, where I can position it the way I want. I can go to shading and see what it looks like, and I think I'm pretty happy with that. Okay. So one of the other things that it's really good at is generating characters. So I can generate a Lego mini figurine of Superman, for example, and again it's going to submit that job over to the backend, and in just a few seconds I can also queue up another prompt that's like a Lego figurine of Spider-Man, and give it a sec. These are a few prompts that I tried earlier, and this was Elon Musk, that's Kanye West, and Superman's done. So let's see what that looks like. Okay, I can hit Command B and it imports that directly into Blender. And if I see how that looks, I can also import my Spider-Man the same way and position him the way I want. And that's pretty cool. One of the other features of Blendergpt is that it can work with images. So I have a set of images here, and these are just shoes that I was looking at online. I can drag them into the box and hit generate. And then just like that, that's the 3D model that I obtained directly from Blendergpt. I can go ahead and position that into my scene and delete these characters for now. And those are done too. I can import those directly into Blender by hitting Command B and position them the way I want. Second import. And that's already a basic scene that I've put together in just a few seconds. And obviously these are 3D meshes, you can do whatever you want with them. So I've set up this website that links to a waitlist where you can sign up, and I'm working on deploying the model at scale, and once I've worked out a few kinks, I can plan to fully release it.